when you're thrown into the student company program, you're basically given the full ownership and responsibility of creating this business by yourself, for yourself. And in that span, you're dealing with, like I said, sales, the product, the quality, the people you hire, what tasks they need to do, how you manage their tasks, how you encourage them, how you motivate them, how you make sure that your marketing is done the right way, how do you make sure that you're saying the right thing at the right time to the right people. If you translate it back into the theoretical knowledge, your target market, your brand voice guidelines, your brand structures, your sales structures, your HR systems, all need to be working in these different pillars for it to be a functioning company. Now, it's easy to say, oh, this is a student company and there's teachers involved, they can do this. But when you're actually thrown into it at UFE, where teachers aren't hand-holding you, but they're forcing you to swim on the deep side of the ocean, you either sink or swim. That mindset is the biggest thing that I bring to each and every aspect of my professional self. That, hey, everything is sink or swim, and there's a certain ownership that lies within me as a leader, and that ownership needs to be fulfilled.